All right, we got the man pulling a block of wood. You can see here, we know that the angle is 42 degrees. He pulls with a force of 50 newtons. And we know the force of friction is 6, so there's a force of friction pushing backwards. So if you think about it, he's only really pulling it in the x direction, right? And so if we were to extend our triangle right here, it's really going to be the force of the x to the right minus the force of friction will be your net force. And then you know the mass of the guy is, or the mass of the block is 10 kilograms. And so you can then solve the problem that way. So the force in the x, though, let's talk about that. You have to use SOHCAHTOA. In this case, it'll be cosine. So the force in the x direction will be the net force, the just F right here, times, since this is the adjacent, right, that'll be cos theta. And that's how you get f of x. And they gave you the force of friction is 6. And then you can find the net force. Once you know the net force, you can say that's equal to ma, and the block of the wood has a net 10 kilograms, so you know that that's 10, and then you can solve for a.